Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Coding Lifestyle for You. In this video, you can see here on my Instagram page there are 0 posts, 0 followers and 0 following. And also if you see the message box, it is empty, there is no messages, right? So what we will do in this video, we will simply create an Instagram bot which will help us to post something on Instagram. It will help us to follow someone on Instagram. It will also help us to send messages to someone and unfollow users. Okay, so let's create it. So what you guys need to download the latest version of Python interpreter and the PyCharm IDE. The links are provided in the description. After that, just open your PyCharm. So just right click on this folder name, select Python file, give the name of the Python file instabot, and here we will be writing our code. So for creating an Instagram bot, we need to download one external Python module which is instabot. So go to the terminal here. On the terminal, just type pip install instabot and hit enter. The Instagram bot module will be downloaded. I have already downloaded, so it says requirement already satisfied. So after downloading instabot, we need to import it so that we can use the methods which are present inside that instabot module. We need to import instabot module. Now we have to access the class which is present inside this instabot module. So with the help of module name, we can access the class. So here we will simply be creating the instance of this bot class, and we will store that to some variable, like for example bot, and this bot is simply nothing but the object variable name. Okay, so we are simply creating object of bot class. After creating object of bot class, now we need to log in to our Instagram page. So bot.login, and here you need to pass your username and password. So the username of my account is this. After that, we need to pass password here. So for password, I have created a password.py file. In this file, I have stored my password in a variable. So let me just use that variable here. So for using the variable, we need to import that variable. So from password file, I will import that password variable. And inside this password variable, I have stored my password in the form of a string. So I need to pass that here. So password variable. Okay, so this will help you to log into your Instagram account. After you log into your Instagram account, now I need to post a pic on my Instagram. I've already downloaded few images inside this folder. I will simply copy these two images and will paste inside my PyCharm and will paste here. You can see we got these two images. So let me upload this first image on my Instagram page. So for uploading image, you need to have the object name dot upload photo method, and inside this upload photo method we need to pass the name of the image. So the name of the image is disha1.jpg, and you also need to pass the caption if you want to add. So caption equals to she is my favorite, like this. Now let's run this code and see if we are able to upload this photo on Instagram or not. So run instabot, and you can see it will firstly log in, right? So login is successful as Faizan Khan. After that, it will simply post. The image is uploaded successfully. Now let's check. Open Instagram. Just refresh the page. You can see the image is uploaded now, and once you open the image, here you can see the caption, she is my favorite. Okay, now what if you want to upload multiple images? So for that, just open your PyCharm. Here what you can do, you can create a dictionary here. So I will create a dictionary, and here I can mention the image's name. So for example, disha2.jpg, and then colon, I can mention the caption. What will be the caption? She is very beautiful, and then comma, then the next image name, disha1.jpg. I will repost that image, and then the caption, she is lovely, like this. So this is a dictionary here, dictionary data type of Python. Here you can see this is known as a key, and then its value is she is very beautiful. After that, another key, disha1.jpg, and its value, she is lovely, right? We can access these keys and the values with the help of loop here. I will use a for loop for item in data, like this. And here, if you want to print only the keys, how you can print only the keys, for that I will simply use print item. And let me just comment this statement, comment these two statements, so that you can see the output of only printing. Run. You can see we are getting the keys. What if you want to access the values? For that you need to pass data and in square bracket the item. Now let's see. Here you can see we are getting only the values. Okay, so again we will upload a photo, and this time we will pass image name as the key here and the caption as this value. Okay, so what I will write here, I will write bot dot upload photo. Okay, upload underscore photo, and here I will mention the image name. So the image is nothing but this key. So how can I access the key? With the help of this item variable. So I'll simply pass this item here. Okay, so this bot is right now giving error because I have commented these two lines. So let me just uncomment. Okay, after that I need to pass a caption here. So caption equals to, and what will be the caption? Caption will be nothing but this value, right? So how can we access this value? I already told you here. So we need to write data variable name, and in the square brackets I need to pass this item, like this, and this will help you to upload your image. So what I want, after one image is uploaded, I want to delay the execution for few seconds, and after that I want to upload another image. So for that I will import one module which is time. Okay, and we can access the method of this module, time dot sleep, and here I will mention for how long I want the delay. So for 3 seconds, if you want the delay, you will mention 3 here. After 3 seconds, again the loop will run and the next image will be uploaded with a caption. So before running this code, make sure you delete this config file which is already created, otherwise you will not be able to run this code. So run. User is successfully logged in. So you guys can see both the images are uploaded successfully. Now let's verify. Go to your Instagram account, just refresh. You can see both the two images have been uploaded successfully. She is very beautiful. This was the caption for this image, and then she is lovely. This was the caption for this image. So this way you can upload as many images you want. Now let's see how we can follow someone on Instagram with the help of this bot. So here let me search my Instagram account, coding underscore lifestyle for you. So this is my account. See, I have not followed this account. So let's follow this account with the help of Instagram bot. So coming back to my code, let me comment this. We already saw how we can upload photo. To follow, we have a method inside this bot class, and we can access with the help of this object name. So bot dot follow, and here you just need to mention the username, and the username for my account was coding lifestyle for you. Okay, let's run this code and run. Again the login is successful. Here you can see the bot has successfully followed the user coding lifestyle for you. Let's check it. Go to your Instagram account, just click on profile and just refresh the page. You can see I got one following here. You can see coding lifestyle for you. So I followed this user. This is my account. Okay. Now what if I want to send a message to this username? The bot will help us. Let's see. Let me comment this because I already followed this. So with the help of this object, we can access the method of this class bot.sendMessage, and here you just have to type your message and the username. So hello, how are you? And after that, to whom you want to send this message, just type the username here. Okay, so the username is coding underscore lifestyle for you. Let's run this code again. Make sure you delete this config folder. Run. Login is successful. Now you can see the message is sent successfully. Okay, now let's check. Open your Instagram. Go to this message. Here you can see the message is sent successfully. Hello, how are you? I hope you guys have understood this. Now, what if you want to unfollow this user or any number of users? For that, what we have to write? Let's comment this. So to unfollow, we have to write bot dot unfollow everyone, or if you want to unfollow only one, you can select this one, or if you want to unfollow everyone, just select this. Delete this folder and run this code. Login is successful. And you can see total unfollowed user is 1. Let's check. Just refresh this page. You can see now I don't have any followers. Okay, so see how popular I am. 0 followers and 0 following. So that's it. Thank you guys. If you found this video useful, do like and subscribe the channel for upcoming projects.